Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to show you a tutorial for strong approach Hidan attacks normal. And you're going to want to start out with this team in this layout. And the talents are here. Now I have the serpent, but the white snake works too. And on the first round here, you're going to want to use Sasuke's mystery to get the lightning boost and to prepare for the next. And on this round, it's really good to get a knockdown because it kills them faster and there won't be an extra round in between where you want it to you want that to not happen. And the lightning maze is just gonna take it. See, I got the knockdown there. You're gonna want to target the second one down and spam Kakashi's mystery so that he can interrupt this guy. And you're just gonna kill this guy now. Now on this second round here, target Kakazu, if it would let me. Never mind. I guess targeting Hidan works. He will die, and then after you use your main's mystery, then it's just guaranteed to kill Kakazu. Now on this round, you're going to target Animal Path and hit Kakashi's mystery so that Hinata will interrupt her mystery. Now this round, Hidan is going to kill Kakashi, but that's okay, that's what we want. And Sasuke will use his mystery, and we still have Animal Path targeted. And we're gonna use Sasuke's mystery here on Animal Path. And that's gonna kill her. And then from here on out it's guaranteed, since if he dies from killing you like that, then you win. Even if you have no ninjas left after he kills you, he still dies and you win. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to leave a like. Peace.